Welcome to Spanish Class 101. Today, we'll learn about different locations and buildings. In a few moments, different locations will appear on your screen. You will hear their name and see the way they're written. Try to repeat after me. Gasolinera. Gasolinera. Terminal de autobús. Terminal de autobús. Oficina postal. Oficina postal. Cuerpo de Bomberos. Cuerpo de Bomberos. Bolera. Bolera. Librería. Librería. Edificio de oficina. Edificio de oficina. Catedral. Catedral. Mezquita. Mezquita. Now it's your turn. Those same locations will appear in a random order. Try to say their name. Did you succeed? If not, don't hesitate to watch this video one more time. If you want to learn more about Spanish, or learn more about other languages, subscribe to this channel. Thank you and have a good day.